Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. We are going to be planning for the week of April 4th through the 10th. Can you believe April is here already? Oh my. Okay, well, with that said, I'm going to be using these beautiful stickers from our collections called Modern Inks. They very much remind me of the alcohol inks that kind of people spread around and make this beautiful art. These are so pretty, and they have gold foil in them as well. So just very, very pretty stickers in general. The moment I purchased this book and it came, I knew that I need to make a spread with it pretty soon because I was itching for it. So here we go. While I put spring down on this ruler to transfer it somewhat straight, I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time joining my channel and you just found me. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy this. And if you are coming back to me and spending more time with me, welcome back. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so very much. This I wouldn't be doing this without you, obviously, and I feel like I'm talking to my best friends, and I'm so thankful for all the kind comments. Okay, so I just wrote out spring is here. Now stick this down to my page. Look how pretty this these letters are. I'm gonna fix that really quick. Yeah, that's just beautiful. And then I'm gonna continue on adding elements. So I took this tin washi and I'm gonna add it alongside the sidebar. Kind of add a little bit of a pizzazz right there. Look how pretty. And then I'm gonna add a few of these quote boxes because I think they're beautiful. I'm about to have a pretty busy week ahead of me, but I know I can do it. So I can and I will. You can do this. I want some very encouraging, bright messages to keep me going. I'm about to do some pretty heavy-duty spring cleaning in the whole house. So that's a pretty large undertaking on top of, like I said, a full-time job. So I'm really excited because nothing is as good as a clean home. Okay, so I'm adding this beautiful sticker that says do what you love what you do. It's all of these like real small reminders that are going to keep me going. I love having positive impact in my planner that keeps reminding me, and especially when the colors are so positive. Hard work pays off. Like I said, when the hard work and like, oh my gosh, the sticker just tripped me up, didn't it? When you have like a very bright positive spread, for myself, I'm way more likely to go back there and open it more often. I really enjoy that, and it keeps me really on track. So I don't know how else I would be able to do this. I don't know about you guys, but that's how it works for me. Okay, I am taking some of these appointments to do clouds, and I'm going to be sticking them in my planner, so you can join me on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and white out the line because I want to write on the line, not to lose any power of writing. So we have to do, sorry about the shaking, whenever I try to remove the lines, that's what happens. Today, appointment, And then let's do this side really quickly. I love that they included these stickers with the same color as and they're clear, so the same color as the rest of the stickers instead of regular headers like normal books do. That was a nice surprise for me. So then we have today. Okay, and now I think I need to add a washi strip to the bottom to really kind of emphasize this, but look, my is coming off. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that edge off really quickly. And then I'm gonna put another washi on this side. Maybe we'll do blue. There we go. Sorry, my hair is everywhere because I'm getting super close to the page. There we go. Okay, so washi is down, and now I need some checklists to make sure all my stuff gets done. This spread, even though it will have, like, it will look very decorative, it will be mostly very functional because all of the elements except the quotes I'm adding are fully functional. So I'm gonna add some of that stuff. And that's crooked, so I gotta fix it. I've been doing pretty good today, you guys. This, I mean, out of all of these stickers, this is the crooked one, so 1 out of 4, not bad odds for me. Normally it's much more frequent. Okay, and then I have some checklists that I'm able to pop in with the same color. So as you guys probably have noticed, I really enjoy making spreads with a single or like 2 sticker books. I like to keep it very functional, so if I can, I really do use 1 or 2 books. This way you guys can follow and do the same thing if you like it. It's just, and for me, it's much easier to add stickers throughout the week when I need more. Okay, it's getting pretty full. I think the only other thing that I want to do is maybe add tiny little boxes for my main thing. So let's see if I can find something like that. Oh, I really like this sidebar. And if I can, I'll add them, or maybe page flags, something like that. Let's see. Maybe these with the gold. Let's see how that would look. I'm gonna kind of play where I can balance the colors as well. So then we have some boxes. It's lovely. Like so. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to pop this back in my planner. Thank you for joining me. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.